Welcome to Human Skills Development, your online on-demand self-paced soft skills training powerhouse. A synopsis of the Sales Fundamentals Workshop.
Why human skills e-learning? E-learning has long stopped being a buzzword, has become an integral part of all professional development programming. Our programs are convenient and allow you to balance the demands of work, career, and home life by accessing learning from anywhere, anytime. Our programs are immediately available to you. You can start an on-demand course in a matter of minutes. They are easy to use. Simply click away and get the knowledge you need. They are flexible, and you decide when you want to take the course at your convenience. They are cost-effective. Studies show that online learning can save an organization between 50 and 70%. All of our on-demand courses are built by subject matter experts and adult education course designers to be of top quality.
With every course from Human Skills Development, you will receive a student manual in PDF format to download, real-life examples and takeaways. The program contains videos, audio and case studies to demonstrate the various points. There are also quizzes to monitor your progress and activities to reinforce the learning. You will have unlimited access to the program and retakes of the quizzes. You will receive a certificate upon successful completion of the program. The workshop will take approximately 6 hours to complete and can be done in any increments that suit your schedule.
Workshop objectives. Understand the language of sales. Prepare for a sales opportunity. Begin the discussion on the right foot. Make an effective pitch. Handle objections. Seal the deal. Follow up on sale. Set sales goals. Manage sales data. Use a prospect board.
Enroll now. www.humanskillsdevelopment.ca. Contact us at any time. info@humanskillsdevelopment.ca. Contact us in advance for group discounts.